हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल अगेन मैजेस्टिक में फिर से आज आपका स्वागत है। आज मैं आपके लिए दिवाली का सबसे अच्छा ऑफर 2 BHK ए ब्लॉक के अंदर A59 का फ्लोर लेके आई हूँ। A59 ए ब्लॉक इज़ अ रिचर कॉलोनी ऑफ द मोहन गार्डन। इज़ रियली अ वेरी हॉट टी आज के टाइम में जो बन रहा है। सो हम सबसे पहले मैं आपको आपका लिफ्ट दिखाना चाहती हूँ, स्टेयर्स दिखाना चाहती हूँ। और जहाँ मैं खड़ी हूँ ये मेरा लिविंग एरिया है। ये जो आज फ्लोर का मैं शूट करने जा रही हूँ ये 60 गज का फ्रेंड्स है। आफ्टर नोइंग द नॉलेज एंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ दिस फ्लैट एंड यू रियली डेफिनेटली बी surprised. And now the time has start to show you the showcase of my floor. So before I'll go to start the showcase of my floor, I would like to show you the lift area plus a stairs area. And this is my lift. You just see it will be going to come to up. So this is my upper ground floor. Is you have the units of total 3 floors in a one unit. This is a first, second, and it's a third floor. There is a 3 units. It's a lift. You just see it's a steel lifts. You just see the lifts. It's really a very good lift. I'll have to show you the place of stairs now. This is a very huge place of stairs area. This is the stairs area. It's really a very huge place. The things which is not able to come in your lift, you can able to carry up via the stairs area. So now I'm going to enter to my floor. I will be going to giving you the iron gate with this. It's the iron steel gate. You can see the designs of iron steel gate. So now I'm going to enter to my floor to showcase you my property of 60 square yards. Now this is my living area. Firstly, I want to show you the design of my door. Just see the door design is really very thicker board. And now I'm going to show you the key of your telephonic key. This is a telephonic key. By the entrance, if any of the person is coming, and even I do have the provisions, the camera and all over the buildings, whatever the buildings I would going to build up, and that all the buildings have to the entrance nearby the camera. So now before I go through showing you the showcase like a bedroom, drawing room, this here I'm standing, this is a living area. I'll talk about the ventilation. So first I will going to show you the ventilation. This is a this is a shafting. You can see it's a shaft. And firstly I want to show you the false ceiling of my floor living area. This is a false ceiling. Now I'll talk about the wallpaper. You can see it's really a very decent look of wallpaper. Here you can able to put a dining table also. Here you can able to put the sofa. If I'll talk for the flooring, I've given you the granite flooring, and for the LED panel I've given the like a false ceiling of designs like this. You can able to put your LED like here. For split AC I've already provided you the wires. So now I'm going to show you the kitchen. You just see is the back of the area. Lobby is really very good. Now I'm going to enter my kitchen. This is my kitchen. It's a modular kitchen. You see, firstly I want to show you the design of my drawer. This is a drawer design. So sorry, all the painter box are inside it. Not to be hide because the work is going on in this floor. Chimney I'm already giving you. It's an automatic system of chimney. It's of light, you can see. I'll talk about the second drawer. I'm giving you the second drawer. It's a very spacious drawer, you can see. It's a creamy structure. If I go into combination with the creaming and red, so you can see it's a very good channels. Total modular kitchen. I already given you the hole for the pipe for the cylinder. Here you do have a gas pipeline also. I have already been a hide and seek of the dustbin place. This is really very small and a very good spacious kitchen, or totally a modular kitchen. Whatever we do need, all the accessories I am able to give you the RO with this when you're going to buy up this floor. So this is my RO place, and even I've given the ventilation for the kitchen is already given the window. Okay, so now I'm going to take you from the lobby area. This is my long lobby. If you really want to put any scene, this is very beautiful. Now I'm going to enter my first bedroom. This is my first bedroom. Firstly I would like to show you the showcase of false ceilings of my first bedroom. Hope you really like this floor. Secondly, I would like to show you the flooring. Each and every bedroom I given, both of the bedrooms I've given another latest designs of the flooring. It's a creamy shading of that one. I painted the wallpaper and the designs. If you want to put your bed here, so if you want to have some texture paints, that also I can able to provide you, but demand of yours. But till yet I was given you a creamy structure of wallpaper in here. You can just see out. For the AC, I've given you this wires, split AC. For this, I've already given you the huge almirah. You can see. For shoes, you can put the shoes here. This is my second almirah drawer. Now, if you're going to ask for me regarding for the ventilations, I do have already shown you the before a window for the ventilation of this room. This is a window for the showering area, so you can able to not be getting any suffocated in this room. So now I'm going to take you before to my second master bedroom. I'm going to take you for the washroom. In this floor we do have a one washroom. Now this is the lobby. You say it's really very beautiful. This is a common washroom. It's a very huge large washroom. You can see cameraman show them a wash basin plus a potting area inside it, and the tiles and the showering you can go through that. It's a really a very little bit dirty, friends, because the working is going on. So that is the reason this floor is dirty. And I do want to just to show you, because the person who want to buy up on that time will give you a very good cleanness of this one. So now I'm going to enter this is entrance of my second bedroom, that was called a master bedroom, which is attached with the balcony. So before I show you the showcase of the balcony, you should have to go in a uppers for a false ceiling. Here at the backing side, as usually I told you, if you really wanted a back for the bedding for the that side, so I can able to change your wallpaper. This is my bedding size, where I given you the cherry color and the flowers of texture of the wallpaper. If I'll talk for the almirah, again I've given you the one almirah here, another for the shoes. So sorry friends, and this is really true, my floor is really worky is going on, so that is a lot of the things has to be cleaned out. So when you're going to book up the floor, you really get a very beautiful, I make it a very beautiful one LED panel I'm going to give you in this room. This you can able to make your children bedroom, or you can able to make your own bedroom, or your grandparents, whosoever. So now I'm going to take you for the balcony. This is a attached balcony, and we can call it a master bedroom. Before I'm going to take you for the balcony area, I would like to show you the windows area for the two. One is the netting windows I'm giving you, and second one is a glass window. And this is a huge, large window. You can able to put your AC as a window over here. Now I'm going outside to my area. It's a balcony area where you can able to wash your clothes, and you can able to put your machines over here. And even I've given the switchboards over here, and you can able to easily wash your clothes. And as usual, you saw someone is already staying in upper side. This floor is a backside floor, and you can see the societies here at the back of your area. It's a A block, and metro connectivity is only the 100 meters from here. So now rest of the amounts of the cost and whatever the discount I'm giving you for the Diwali, that I'll discuss on the ending of the before a video. So shall we? So friends, hope you really like my floor at this. So today I've been started my video by the English. I just thought every day I'm speaking a lot of Hindi in front of all my guests. So let me make the video of English only. Let me talk regarding for the cost of this one is only a 31 lakhs. It's really been a very big surprise. And this is only a bumper offer of the Delhi. Of a Diwali only, that's Roshni ma'am is going to give you. So definitely call me. This floor is at the area of A block. Gas pipeline is providations. Lift providation is there. At the one floor there is a unit of 3 units together. Okay, it's really a very beautiful floor, and I can talk about the square yard of this area, 60 square yard. So if I'll talk for the lowest rate, I'm giving you a very lowest rate in this, and this is really a very big discount which I'm going to give you. This cost is only 31 lakhs, and I can talk about the society. A block is a richer colony of a Mohan Garden, and today's time Mohan Garden is a hot tea of this. And before I will be going to close my video, I will be going to show you the outer side, and you will be going to call me, ma'am, I really want to buy up this store. We do have this store, only the upper ground is left, and all are sold. So please friends, hurry up and welcome to my office. Call. I really want that you should be able to bring your lights in your Diwali. If you are staying in a rent, so please make a fulfill your dreams in this Diwali. 100% I will be going to provide you the loan in this. The booking amount is only 21,000. Within the 15 days, I'm going to provide you the loan, and within the 15 days, you get in the key of your. Even I'm giving you the 2 lakhs of discount, because this cost of this loan is 35 lakhs, which I'm going to give you a 31 lakhs. So don't miss this offer. Come and meet me in my office solely. And before I fulfill this, before I stop this video, now I'm going to take you to my outsider, the view of this store. Then you definitely says, wow. And I would be really knowing that please like and subscribe my channel, share my videos. The people, the friends who do have not having their own homes, please share them. Maybe blessings of God, blessings of yours, by feet of yours, maybe they can able to make their home. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Love you. Before I've been told you, before I have to complete this video, I would like to show you the place of the parking area. So you can see the huge place of the parking area. I can talk about the stairs area. Lift I can already been show you at the upper side. So now I'm going to show you the place of the electricity meters. This is my electricity meters which I'm going to give you over here. All the meters are already been provided, and another part for that one also. I have already told you for the camera, so I've already provided the cameras over here in the building. CCTV camera is already the providations in this building. You can see they're totally securedness from your side. We have already, I'm giving the everywhere cameras for the security side. So now I'm going to take you for the outsider area. This is a huge gate. You can see a very beautiful gate. Now I'm talking you for the outsider area. You must have to see the outsider area of that one. Just show them outsider area. If I show you the showcase of the outsider area of the building, this is a view of the outsider area. So thank you so much for showing my video, and please subscribe my channel and make me the call if you really like this show. And definitely I know that you really love this floor a lot, and call me anytime to your Roshni 8595 303 and make your home and fulfill your Diwali this time. Thank you so much. Love you always.